Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now in this video today, we are at the Dollar General taking a look in their home decor area just to see what they have. Come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much and tell you how much I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now, don't forget to click that like button and full watch the video because this helps me to grow. And also comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now this is a good opportunity for me to remind you of all of the collab announcements. Remember that all the collaborations are open invites and you're more than welcome to jump in at any time, anyone. Okay, so the first one I'm going to start with is Tablescape Tuesdays. This collaboration is so awesome. It's at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's any color, any style, any theme, and we just cannot wait to have you. So come on in and join us because we would love to have you. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so before we move on, I need to tell you that September 13th, okay, we are bringing in a guest host, and I say we, the Ladies of Elegance, that's Amethyst Adventures and myself. So we have a guest host coming in, and that is Sasu Glam Style. Now the next collaboration is every second Saturday of the month at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this one is called Sophisticated Saturdays. We absolutely love it. You can set up a tablescape, decorate one anywhere in your home, any color, any theme, any style. Listen, this is freestyle also. Pretty much all our collabs are, and they're so easy, and it's 6 o'clock pretty much always. And all you have to do is just use the hashtag and we will pick your video up and add you to the playlist. Now we also have a guest host coming in for Sophisticated Saturdays, and that's this coming Saturday, guys, September 10, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And our guest is Creations by Simone. I'm so excited. And she wants the theme to be falling in love with fall apples. Isn't that nice? So I am really hoping that you guys join in. Remember that this is an open invite for anyone. Anybody can join in. So I'm really excited about that. So let me move on to the next collaboration. Okay, so moving on to the next collaboration. This one is called Wreaths Galore. You can decorate with a wreath. You can make a wreath. You can DIY one. You can decorate a swag. You can even make a garland. I mean, the ideas are endless. Again, this is freestyle, and it is for the fall or Christmas. So anything that you want to do, either create one or decorate with one, you know, you could do whatever it is you guys like, guys. All I'm interested in is that you guys are having fun. Make sure and use the hashtag, and I will pick up your videos and add you to the playlist. Okay, now with this collab, I have some co-hosts and I have a guest host coming in. So I am the host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and here are my co-hosts. I have Mercy Beauty Styles, Marlene How-Tos, Marilyn Cozy Lifestyle, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Denise Glam Style Living, The Rogers House, and Diva Decorating. And now my guest host that I'm bringing in is Tammy from Glam Queen of Decor. Isn't it awesome to have so many of us just get together and just create things to show you? It gives you some ideas and some inspiration and even motivation. So come on in, guys, and join in the collab. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music here while we finish off this video, and I'm going to see you at the end. Now guys, make sure and write these dates down. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.